Let's start sa entrance. So in here, you have your extra hooks. So you can put here your bags such as this one, o kaya yung mga cup ninyo or keys, o kaya mga pinabili nyo, plastic, ganyan. Diyan nyo siya pwede ilagay. Or towels. Tapos, this is your door entrance and exit. So, meron siyang one lock here. Tapos, you have here your on and off for the master switch. Hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng card. So, tatap-tap lang yan. Then your switch for the lights. And most importantly, you need to check your exits. So you're here, and then this will be your exit, and this one. This will be your cute bathroom. So meron ka dyang toilet and bowl na napakalinis, and you have your tissue here. And most importantly, meron kang bidet. So ang clean ng rooms nila in fairness, and I like the tiling kasi it looks neat. Ang linis niya tingnan. So look at that. So, just enough for one person. And then, nai-slide lang to. So, nai-slide lang to for you to see your shower area. So, for the shower area, it's just enough space. And then, you also have there your shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. So, apaka-efficient niya because you don't need to buy outside because you already have here your shower gel, your hydrating conditioner, and then your shampoo. And then, of course, it's your hot and cold shower as well. Same siya sa tiles dun sa kabila. And ang luwag din niya ng space. So, okay tayo dyan. Okay. Kasi malinis din. And then, few steps dun sa toilet mo and then your shower will be your sink. Yes, nasa labas siya kasi nga limited lang yung space doon sa shower area tsaka sa toilet and bowl. So, andito yung iyong mirror. What I liked about the mirror is meron siyang light here. So, let's say you need your light pag magme-makeup, retouch or something, then you have this. Or pag maghihilamos, okay siya. And then this one, of course, yung sink niya, it's just enough. You know, syempre, magto-toothbrush ka lang naman dyan, maghihilamos, and then you're gonna wash your hands. So, this is okay, and then your hand wash is there. And then down below the sink, you'll see your hand towels, body towels, and then your blower, extra tissue, and then hangers. And then this one is for your used clothes. So if you have dirty clothes, you can wash it downstairs. I think the schedule will be from 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. lang. Hindi ko lang sure if self parang washing siya or ibibigay mo sa kanila yung damit. So yeah, meron siya nito. And then another few steps away, like 2 to 3 steps, you'll see here your side table slash your work area. So you have here your aircon remote, and then some of the instructions. So we're staying at Life Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok or Life Hotel under Accor Hotels. And then you have here a mug for your coffee or oatmeals, and then water. I think you can refill a water outside for free. So that's an advantage for you because instead of you buying water outside, if you have your water bottle, you can just refill it in here inside your hotel and then refill as well para meron kang water sa loob ng room. And then you also have here your USB socket and then your own one socket to charge your phone and your laptop. So very important na meron ka talagang dalang extension cord para you can charge all your gadgets pagka lobat na siya. And then sobrang artsy and simple na upuan in here. So if you need your side table or you need this as your working space, then you can put it there. Next thing what I like is about the art decor dun sa likod ng bed. So parang it's giving you modern, chic, and very stylish sort of Gen Z vibe room. Simple lang siya, wala siyang TV, by the way, take note of it. No TV. Pero it makes sense because most of the time you'll not be staying inside your room, so that's fine. And then, oh my God, ayun yung train station. Hindi siya kita kasi na ano siya ng ilaw against the light. So this is your king size bed. So, your king size bed, para siya naka-elevate lang, tapos meron ka pang extra na lagyan. So, pwede yung mga clothes mo na gagamitin for the next day, doon mo siya ilalagay, there. And then, pwede mo din dyan i-hanger yung mga damit na kailangan mong gamitin for the next day or ipaplansya mo siya. Then lastly, syempre, you have your safe. So, kung meron kang mga important things, gadgets, jewelries, or whatnot, you can put it here. You can use it. And may extra space dito sa ilalim ng bed. You can put here your luggages. For the luggages na hindi mo gagamitin for the meantime, since ilalabas mo yung gamit mo, dyan mo na siya pwede ilagay para hindi nakaharang like this. Kaka-checkan ko lang kasi, kaya nandyan mo siya for the meantime. And secondly, last lang, tapos may secondly pa. Eto, the aircon. The position of the aircon, yung pinaka gusto ko kasi it's not in front the bed. So, parang nandito lang siya sa may side so that at night or in the afternoon, hindi ka sobrang lalamigin na magkakasakit naman sa sobrang lamig. So, good siya. So, all in all for me, sulit na din yung Life Hotel Bangkok, or they call it Life Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok. So it's right beside Nana Station. Like 3 to 5 minutes, makikita mo na kagad yung Life Sukhumvit 8 Bangkok. Pero nakalagay kasi sa Klook, nabook ko siya sa Klook for around 1,900 or 2,300 plus per night. May ginamit akong vouchers. Ang ginamit ko yata ng vouchers, voucher ni Marvin Samaco, Klook, or Marvin Samaco. Kasi lagi ako nanonood ng vlog niya. So, yon. Then, one thing is that malapit din siya sa mga malls. Like, pwede mo laharin kung kaya mo yung Terminal 21, tapos Asok, or Asoke, ang tawag nila doon. Kasi marami din sa mga tabi-tabi yung mga massages at saka mga maliliit na restaurant. So, pwede ka din kumain at mamili. So, yun lang.